Good morning, welcome to Wonderland Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you, I'm going to experiment on how to make gluten-free pancakes. So today is going to be gluten-free flour blend, oats and almond flour as the main flours, with some protein powder and flaxseed, with some almond milk and some almond flavouring, almonds and baking powder, and some dried strawberries and some vegan butter to cook the pancakes. So let's start. Put everything in a food processor. Just going to put random amounts in, I don't care. Cooking enough for one person plus a dog, so I don't know how much to make for us. Just chuck a random amount in. What's important here is the texture when it's ready to cook. That is the most important part, because the texture determines how thick your pancakes end up. If you want super thin pancakes, then make the mixture runny. If you want fat chunky pancakes, then make the mixture a little bit more thick. Almond flour, some gluten-free flour mix, like 5 different types of flour in this. Chuck that in. And baking powder. So, put the lid on, now we'll put that on the food processor, and get some milk, and then we'll just pour the milk in very slowly until it gets to the right texture. Scrape around the sides. Add some more milk. It's good. Now I'm going to put this into a jug for easier pancake pouring. This down first. Okay, now we're going to add the dried strawberries. I'm just going to crush dried strawberries in there. make a mess all over the place. Add some crushed almonds. And a little bit almond flavouring. And now mix. Add a little bit more milk. Want it so that it's nice and runny. There we go. That's good. Okay. Just clear some space. Okay. Now we're ready to cook pancakes. I'm going to take some vegan butter. Nice thick gloopy mixture. This is going to make some hopefully nice fat fluffy pancakes. We'll find out in a minute. This is a random experiment. I've never made these before. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm trying to encourage people to experiment in the kitchen. You don't have to know quantities and timings as precisely as people always say. So let's just make random things and hope it works. Add a couple of spoons. That's a good size. This could be a complete disaster. Let's go. Yeah. Maybe a little bit too much butter. I know, he's coming soon, bro. You have to wait for them to cook first. You want some pancakes? You have to wait a minute. You can see the pancake will start to float a little bit. That means it's cooked on the bottom. A little bit too hot. Don't want to burn it. I want it to be nice and fluffy, but not too burned. Perfect colour. I've ruined my uniform. Okay, looking good. It starts to float, you know, it's starting to be ready. Give it a little bit more. Should we flip it? Ready? It's looking good. Next one. How many pancakes are we going to get today? First pancake Nice and fluffy and light. I don't know, maybe we'll get 4, 5, maybe 5 pancakes out of this mixture. That's enough for me and Mikey. Smells good, looks good. I'm gonna serve this. Mikey, be quiet. I serve this with the strawberry and almond ice cream that I made yesterday. Looking nice and brown. Okay, there's 2 pancakes down. Let's do the other 3. Okay, so there we go, 5 lovely pancakes. Now I'm going to put some ice cream that I made yesterday on top. So we've got strawberry almond pancakes with strawberry almond ice cream. How many scoops? What do you think? Let's have 4. Gonna have some strawberry sauce. Some more dried strawberries. I would use fresh strawberries, but I don't have any. So for now, dried ones is good. And finally, some more almonds for the top. There we go, make a mess. There we go, gluten-free strawberry and almond pancakes with strawberry and almond ice cream with strawberry and almonds. Oh, this is going to be delicious.